Today, we're here to talk to you about how to help your child with unexpected loud noises. So, if you
Uh,
have a child who's a sensory avoider who avoids loud noises, these are some tips that could be helpful.
I think one of the things that you could first think about is if your child is distracted by a lot of background noise. Off the top of my head, one of the first things I think of is watching TV and they're trying to do a play activity or maybe do school Zoom class and they can't focus on what they're trying to do because of the TV on in the background. One of the things that you can do to help them is try to reduce or eliminate that background noise.
Very true. If you could just reduce the amount of noise, especially when your child needs to focus, this could be really helpful. Another tip is you can have a quiet corner set up for your child in the house. So, a quiet corner is an area where your child knows they can go to, that there's going to be less noise and there's going to be some comfort objects there to help them if there's going to be loud noises in the house.
Say, for example, there's vacuuming going on. That is going to go on until everything is clean. And your child just is getting overwhelmed by the constant loud noise from the vacuum. Then they can head for that area that they know is in a quiet spot in the house with things that are going to make them feel calm again.
Another tip is to try white noise. So, white noise can help cancel out loud noises. So, this could be helpful if you live near an airport or a train. So, then you always kind of have this white noise going on. So, those other loud noises that are going to be louder aren't as obnoxious to your child, and that it's not as triggering for them potentially that there's a loud noise that was unexpected.
Also, if you live in a big city where there's lots of traffic noise or sirens, which you just hear more frequently in a city, and it can really help even those things out so they're not as overwhelming for your child, and the white noise just evens it all out.
Another really helpful tool can be noise canceling headphones. And Allison's found a brand that she really likes.
I have a kiddo who really had a tough time with loud noises from being a baby. And I really liked ear defenders for babies and young toddlers, especially in situations where you know ahead of time that it's going to be an issue, which could be a movie, it could be a concert, it could be fireworks. Anya was going to talk a little bit about also how these ear defenders or another type of noise canceling headphone could really help with a fire drill.
This could be a very helpful tool in a situation such as a fire drill. If you know your child's going to have a fire drill at school, some things to kind of help it go more smoothly might be to give your child a heads up. Let them know it's going to be happening. Say, here are your ear defenders, let the teacher know, here are their headphones. Maybe also have a comfort object available for them. And then maybe also have a timer that they can hold so they know this is going to end. It's not going to be forever, and they can kind of see this is going to end. That could
And I really don't think that's an imposition on the teacher, because just like parents at home, they want to set your child up for success. And they usually know if it's a practice fire drill when it's coming, and they can let you know to talk to your child about it before they go to school. And if you give them the tools to help them at school, it's just going to make the whole thing go so much more smoothly for everyone.
Also, another tool that can be helpful is just having your child be regulated and calm in their body. And this will help them approach challenging situations such as overwhelming auditory input in a better place. They're already calm, they're ready to take on a challenge if you can kind of help them be regulated beforehand.
Absolutely. It can take a little bit of that edge off of what is normally that fight or flight reaction to a really loud noise. They can sort of come back to resettling themselves instead of it having throw everything out of balance for them.
So if you think your child may be avoiding loud noises or unexpected auditory input, they may benefit from an occupational therapy evaluation. So you can go to allaboutTherapyforkids.com and find out more.